What's up guys, Udit here after a long time in December, and in this video I'm going to show you top 3 features that Instagram have launched in 2018. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first feature is close friend list, a very great feature that Instagram have launched that will help you to share your stories with certain people only. Just add them in your list and you will be able to share your stories with your close friends only, not publicly. The second feature that Instagram have launched in 2018 is voice messages. Third feature that Instagram have launched is video tags. This feature will help you to tag people in the videos that you have uploaded on Instagram, just like photos and photo tags. So that's it for this video. Leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.